Welcome, in front of me says CYRUS CS40, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. And to get started, we'll need to power off the device by holding the power key and simply wait for the device to shut off. Now, once it has shut off, you want to hold power key and a volume up, both of the keys at the same time, and you should then be in the boot mode. Now in this mode you will only use volume up to navigate, as you can see, and volume down will be used to confirm the selection. And you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. Give it a moment and you should see the Android with no command in here. Now to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and you should be then in recovery mode. In this mode, you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and you want to select Wipe Cache Partition. Confirm it with power key. It's a fairly quick process, as you can see. Cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So press power key once more, and simply wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. Let me just quickly put in a pin, and there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.